And he said unto him, If they hear not Moses and the prophets, neither will they be persuaded, though one rose from the dead. May God bless you. Amen. Tin ani chuan a hnena Mosia le zol nei te thuan ngai lo chuan mi thi zinga mi tho le ma sela an oi chuang lovang atia Mosia le zol nei te thu ngai tu chuan I suwa thu kan oi Lalpan malsawm che rawh se. Amen.